I'm going to cover the modular lat pull down right now. With this, wherever you put your hands, it's going to work the muscles a little bit differently. The wider my hands, it's going to incorporate more of your latissimus dorsi or your lat. If my hands are in closer, it's going to once again still work the back, but it's going to incorporate a little bit more of your biceps as you pull down. And if I have my palms facing me with my hands close, once again, it's probably going to incorporate a lot more of your biceps. So your hand placement doesn't matter on these machines. With the basic use, I like to grab it just on the bend or just over the bend. I can make my adjustment according to my knee to ankle ratio by lifting this up and down. This will keep you from lifting up and down off the seat. With this, I grab my weight, keep myself underneath. Then from here, I want to bring this down to the top part of my chest. Now, I like to imagine that I'm squeezing my shoulder blades together behind my back. I don't just want to swing the weight down. I want to bring it down my back, and I want to try to squeeze my shoulder blades together. And then I want to stretch my shoulder blades. Squeeze them together and stretch. Notice how I'm leaning slightly back, and I'm really focusing on the quality of the movement, not so much the movement itself from point A to point B. I'm really focusing on working the contraction at the bottom part. When I'm done, I step myself back and move this up without slamming the weight. So once again, if you want to make the jump between the 10 pounds, you do have the incremental weight to stack on top.